We never learned the beauty of blackness. We never learned the beauty of being together and loving one another. We never learned the beauty of acting collectively and loving each other and putting each other first. Because the original conditioning by this evil man has associated our bodies and our colors with frightful things and frightful associations. And we then seek to avoid our blackness and our Africanness. And every time we confront it, we jump and move. And we never learn then what it really means to live out that Africanness and live out that blackness, because it has been associated with anxiety. And because when we first meet it, that is what we feel. And because we dare not stand up to the pain of our blackness, we never learn its beauty and its glory. That is why I tell you, if you are to recapture yourself as a people, you must go through pain for a while.